What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. See Nashti, Mr. Never Same So Honestly Thank Yourself. And what's going on, people? I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing fine. You see me, I'm in nature, loving it. Always, it's nice. The weather is breaking, huh? So you know that nice warm time is about to come, baby. And guess what? Let me tell you something. Let me get straight to the video, because God put this on my mind to tell you, chosen ones, empaths, somebody's regretting. Somebody is regretting. Oh my God, somebody is in such, oh my God, their heart is on disability. Their mind right now is in straight shambles, straight turmoil for what they did to you in the past, chosen ones. That person left you out. That person threw you out on the corner like a piece of trash with the other pieces of trash. And you were the only piece of trash to pick yourself up and dust yourself off and said, you know what, I'm not a piece of trash. And I'm going to go fix this. I'm going to go fix myself. And I'm going to go do what I got to do to make ends right. And guess what? After 6 months, after a year, after however long it took, now they are feeling it, boy. And you know it too. I know you've been feeling their little negative energy just creeping around you. I know you've been feeling it anytime you're in a good ass mood. Their name just pop up in your head like, yo, what the hell? Security, get that? What the hell? No, man. Or something, you could tell. They really regret what they did to you, chosen one. They thought the grass was greener on the other side. Feel me? They thought, oh, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave, chosen one. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna leave, chosen one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave him. I'm gonna leave her. I'm gonna go to the other side. I think the grass is greener on the other side. I'm gonna go check it. I'm gonna go over there. They stood over there for the whole season, and guess what? It was some fake ass grass. Feel me? They were using some old turf toil. Like, oh my God. Feel me? And what were you doing? After they pooped all over your lawn, right? And then went to the other side to find out it was fake, phony, soulless beings over there. And then what did you do? You were over here on your side, working on yourself, doing what you had to do. You were in that gym, huh? You were writing down that poetry, huh? You was sewing up you were knitting everything you needed to knit, huh? You was making all the music you needed to make. You was doing all the videos you needed to do. Shit, you was in your job, you was in the job forklifting everything that needed to be forklift. Man, you was doing anything you could do, can do to possibly just get to a better spot in your life. And guess what? You damn near did it. Feel me? You did it. Feel me? And now they want to come back groveling. Huh? After they see you with yourself, you ain't even get to the final form of your success yet. But they're always watching. They're always watching you. Believe it. You might not think that they're not watching you, but guess what? We're living in a time where people, they just make little burner accounts. They make little fake accounts, and they just come, look at your profile, look at your stories. They want to see what you're doing, what you're up to, and trust me, they know what you're up to. Feel me? These damn deceptionaires, they're like the FBI. Feel me? Any type of information they need to gather on you, any intel, they got it. Feel me? They know what's going on. They know what's going on. They trust me. But the point that I'm making, chosen ones, the point that I'm making, empaths, is they regret. You know what I'm saying? They see you shining now, huh? They see you rise to the occasion, huh? They see you making them threes like Curry, huh? Feel me? And then they looking back at the sad mistakes that they made in the past with these damn Decepticons, these damn demons in disguise, and they're like, damn, I could have just But yeah, baby, stay over there where you should have just and you would have just. You ain't coming back to my side to come mess up what I got going on, things that I built for myself, feel me? And that's what you gotta do, chosen ones. You gotta know, you gotta know the value you got inside of you, feel me? You got to know that nobody, no human being, man, woman, animal, plant, anything could get you out of your element. You get what I'm saying? Your energy is your energy, feel me? And these damn Decepticons, these damn deceptioneers, all they do is practice the art of deception, will try to take you off of your path any moment that they can. Why you say that, C Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Because these people are soulless, false selves. They don't have, trust me, they see you with your vision, huh? And they don't have that. And they don't have a vision. And in the Bible, they say it. Where there is no vision, people will perish. Oh. Where there is no vision, people will perish, people. So you can't even be around these people day in, day out, sharing your thoughts with them, and they're sharing their dumb ideas with you. You just can't do it. You have no time to do it. But listen, I'm going off topic. But the point that I'm making, chosen one, is these people regret so badly what they did to you. Oh my God. Like, I know you sit back sometimes and you really just replay it in your head, like how things really went down with this person. I know you replay it, like, and you just sit back, like, and you look. Sometimes some of y'all are still hurt about it, and I'm here to tell you, don't be hurt about it. They're more hurt than you are. Trust me. And listen, if it just happened, maybe, you know what I'm saying, maybe you just broke up with this person, guess what? It's not gonna last. They can, trust me, you cannot do a chosen one wrong and think that life is just gonna go rosy and dandy for you. No, absolutely not. It might be for a little bit, but it won't be for a while. Feel me? They might have a good time, but it will not be a long time. Chosen ones, because the first will be last and the last shall be first, and you will get the last laugh, chosen ones. Feel me? It's all written, bro. God will make your enemies your footstool. Feel me? God will make your enemies your footstool. And that's the energy you need. Some of y'all did the right thing. When they broke your heart and hoped you died and stuck a needle in your eye, you really did the right thing, and you got yourself together. You picked yourself up from the ashes and you rose like a phoenix, and you made something out yourself. They underestimated you, and then you overachieved. Feel me? And now they're looking back because that's all they could do. They can't look forward to seeing you. They can't look forward. There's no forward. They have to look back. And then guess what? In the Bible, they say, look back, you'll turn into a pillar of salt. Feel me? And that's what happens to them. Damn Decepticons. They deserve it. They can't just go around breaking the chosen one's heart, breaking empath's heart, especially when they know that we have the biggest hearts that love known to man. Huh? We have the biggest hearts known to man on this astral plane of existence. They know we have the biggest hearts known to man. Feel me? But yet they wanted to play the game, not knowing that you were playing chess and they trying to play checkers. Like this, like, yo, you seen the moves coming 3-4 steps behind before this person even did. They thought you were dumb, but yet lo and behold, you really knew what was going on the whole time. And now you get to have the last laugh because they're regretting so much. They're regretting it so much. Some of y'all, that was the best pum they ever got in their life. Oh, some of y'all, that was the best D she ever had. Better than her baby daddy. But yet, they always mess it up. What do? They always mess it up. You know what I'm saying? Yo, They cannot hold on to nothing good. They cannot hold on to anything good when it's in their presence. They ask God for a presence. They ask God for the blessing. God gives them the present in the actual present moment. And then they use it, abuse it, and then they try to reuse it. But then it's not a possibility to reuse it because you already figured out you already figured them out. We don't have time to be playing any simple games with these people anymore. Like they realized some of them, they regret what they did to you. Telling you, they regret what they did. But you'll never know simply because their pride, their ego will not let you know it or show it. Feel me? But trust me, I know. You know what I'm saying? I've been through this. I could feel it, and I know this, man. And you could even feel it too. Feel me? You know when somebody's trying to contact you in the energetic realms, like when your little twin flame buddy, try to just, yo. Listen, these people are always in regret, in remorse for what they did to you. They are constantly thinking about you too, chosen ones. In fact, they are constantly, listen, in their minds, you live rent free. Trust me. They did you wrong. Now they got to deal with the fact. Remember, there was probably a point in time when you really liked this person, you really loved this person, you wanted to show this person in the world. But then they did you wrong. They hurt you so badly. And now it's like so funny that the shoe was on the other foot. You get what I'm saying? Now they want you so badly, and you're just like, been there, done that. I'm looking for some new energy. You know what I mean? I'm not looking behind me. You get what I'm saying? We don't go, chosen ones, we don't go back. We keep moving forward. You get what I'm saying? We keep moving forward. We don't look back. You know what I'm saying? We're like a locomotive train. Feel me? And we're always going in the direction of straight, of go. You get what I'm saying? And if you have to stop every 5-10 minutes to pick up some old dead weight that try to do you wrong in the past, some old bad negative luggage who try to really just propel your heart into the astral planes of non-existence because of their jealous tendencies, because of just the way the way that they hate on your blessings, the way that they hate on your loving. It's so weird. Like they hate and they love you at the same time. It's so weird. It's so weird. But I'm here to tell you, chosen ones, they regret what they did so bad. And when they try to come back, because mark my words, they will try to come back, but you must muster up that energy to just slice and dice their ass when they do try to come back. Oh, that's what I do. Don't try to come back to me after you devalued me, after you took my heart and threw it in a pond like that, so little swans and ducklings could just eat mine. You know what I mean? But nah, when she threw it in the pond, guess what? I'm a chosen one, child of God. The birds, they hemmed me up, feel me? The birds, they took my heart out the pond. They delivered it back to its rightful owner. You know what I mean? That's what I'm telling you too, chosen ones. They hate on your anointing. They hate on your blessings. They know that you're blessed and highly favored out here. You know what I mean? They know that, if they leave me, that person is going to find the best person that'll treat them the best in their life. Feel me? So they try to just put you on this hamster wheel with hot and cold energy, with like and dislike you, making you question yourself, making you question your own reality. It's a disgusting, disgusting disgusting time we're living in when people really feel like they could just treat you like that. And people feel like they could just... It's just like you're sleeping with the enemy when you're dealing with these people, man. You know? But like I said, the point that I'm making to this video is they really regret what they did to you. And they got no choice but to bask in the emotions of what they did to you. And those emotions are straight terrorizing, straight terrifying. You know? It's like Nightmare on Elm Street for them every night. It's like they go to sleep and what they think about the chosen one that they did wrong. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Don't feel bad for them. Don't feel bad for them, because they didn't feel bad for you on those nights where you were just curled up in the fetal position, straight tears, so much tears, damn near blood coming out your eyes. How hurt you were. Where were they at? Chosen ones, where were they at? Oh, they were on yachts, twerking, shaking it up, smoking blunts with their evil twin buddy. Huh? And like I said, while you were just by yourself, while you had to pick yourself up from the bootstraps, while you had to do it all by yourself. So why, when you built up your own tower, your own castle, why would you take that damn Decepticon back? Why would you take that damn Deceptioneer back when you know all they do is practice the art of deception? Huh? It doesn't make psychological sense, player. It doesn't. It doesn't make psychological sense, play it. Listen, I've been ranting for oh so long. If you like the content, hit the like button. It's not hard. It's pretty easy. We just try to get the message out to other chosen ones who need to hear this message. You know what I'm saying? If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Sinashti, hit the subscribe button. I got about 450 videos of high-level consciousness conversation for you right now in the category. Get what I'm saying? All right, here comes the outro, people. I hope somebody's still here watching it. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Ow. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Listen, I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Love life, live life, be happy, baby. One love.